Fireworks, which cost 2 for £20. Got fireworks safety. There's some sparklers at the bottom. I think this is... So what you get is 2 rockets, 11 fireworks, 3 shot tubes and 1 multi-shot. 21 shot.
21 shot.
It's got 21 fireworks in one.
21 shots it fires.
21 fireworks go up.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I think we did this the last time.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Was it Twilight last time?
No, but
it's virtually the same, isn't it?
Yeah, but some of
It
them,
comes with
some of
so
them are the
many
same.
fireworks.
Now we're going to do a crystal atom rocket.
So this one lights. Cheap Tesco Fireworks. Come on.
Do you know how you have to slide it on that thing as well?
What are you doing, Sammy?
I don't know how to do it.
You
Just press the
idiot.
button. To pull it as well.
Oh, like that.
Let's push this out. Come on then.
It's not sparking, I'm out of it.
Look at this. I'm holding the flame to it and it's not even lighting. Cheap Tesco crap. Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh my god, I thought it was going to come down. I thought it was going to come down onto me, so I was rolling down. I was scared that one. It was...
So the stick that comes with it, lighting stick, is useless. You're not lit one with it.
Before we had that big tube thing that we lit.
Yeah.
And that worked.
Right, next firework.
Why don't you keep...
So what we got left? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left.
Yeah.
So far,
Like this one. Can you do this
we have to
one?
throw 3 into the fire to light them.
Oh, there's one on
Because we
this one.
couldn't get them lit.
Can you do this one?
Which one should we do?
This one.